Number 53 states, a mutation that occurs in the gametes of an organism will most likely be transferred to which of the following? A, the siblings of the organism, B, the offspring of the organism, C, the other organisms living nearby, or D, the mating partner of the organism. So first let's make sure that we know some of this terminology. So some of the terms that we have here are gametes, right here. We have siblings, offspring, and mating partner. So gametes are the sex cells. I'll write that down. So in humans, that would be sperm and egg cells. All right, so the gametes are the sex cells of an organism. Then siblings means brothers and sisters. Offspring are the babies of an organism, all right, the children. And then mating partner is the partner with which an organism is mating. It makes sense, right? Mating partner. So if we have a female, say, dog, and then we have a male dog, the one is the mating partner of the other if they are mating to have offspring, to have babies. So now we're going to look at how do we answer this question. So it says a mutation that occurs in the gametes. Well, gametes are the sex cells. So those are the cells, like sperm and egg, that combine to form the offspring, to form the babies. So B is already looking pretty good. All right, so if we have a mutation that occurs in the sperm cell or the egg cell, that can only be transferred to whatever organism gets that sperm cell or egg cell. And because this is not a disease that we're talking about here, a mutation is, all right, mutation, let me put this down here as well. A mutation is a change in the DNA of a cell. Okay, so if we have a change in the DNA of a gamete, of a sperm or egg cell, then that's going to change the DNA. It's going to change the genetic makeup of that sperm or that egg, and that is going to change the genetic makeup of the offspring if one is formed from that sperm or that egg cell. So B, again, still is making the most sense. Now, a mutation inside of a sperm or egg is not going to affect, say, my brother or my sister, right? So it's not going to affect the siblings. So I'm going to cross out answer choice A. Then answer choice C, again, a change in the DNA of an egg or sperm cell will not affect other organisms that live nearby. And D, we're not talking about a genetic disease. We're not talking about a disease like a virus or a bacteria that could be transferred from one mating partner to another, as in like a sexually transmitted disease. That's not what we're looking at either. We're looking at a mutation that's inside of the DNA of that sperm or egg cell. If we were talking about humans, it'd be sperm or egg. So answer choice B is our correct answer. And offspring, babies, are what are formed from the gametes or sex cells, and so they will be the only ones that get the DNA that had the mutation within those cells. So 53 is answer choice B.